Okay, good day everyone. So today I will show you a quick guide on how to navigate our online portal, especially to most of the important section to our account. Okay, so first let us go to img-corp.net and enter your user ID and password. So you can check your email for your login information. Okay. And with that, you will be routed to the IMG homepage. Okay, so in this section, kindly click on the, if you're a new member, there is a green box here, no, like register as a partner. Kindly click on that and you will be asked to sign electronically. So you can sign it through your phone. And after that, kindly click these resources and click videos. Okay, and you will see the IMG success stories here and the IMG training. So let us check the IMG stories. Okay, so these are coming from the sharers, of our big leaders around the world from the leaders call. So their each stories are great. So kindly watch because these are great stories. Okay, and the next one is you can go back to videos and click on the IMG trainings. Okay, so with this, these are the important from the leaders call as well. So these are new benefits, I mean new functions, no, na inano kanina. Okay, so after that po, you can go to tools and IMG dominate. So you will be routed to another window. Okay, so click login lang po and enter mo din yung user ID at saka password mo. Okay, click lang login. Tsaka ito yung mukha ng dominate tool natin or the digital marketing tool. So gusto po naming i-take nyo yung 5 workshops po. Okay? So first workshop is increasing cash flow and how to manage debts. Okay? So ayan, no, naglo-loading pa. So here po, kindly click on the affiliate links. Okay? Here. So, yan, makikita nyo po. So, ito po, click po natin itong IMG Online Workshop. Tsaka, iraroute naman kayo sa new window. So, ito po, i-click po natin ito, Get Started, under IMG member. Okay. And click lang po ito. So, again, just a heads up na hindi po tayo makaka-proceed sa next workshop if hindi po natin natapos ang itong first, no? So, click lang nyo po. Tapos, meron pong, pagkatapos po niyan, meron ng activity workbook at huwag mag-alala kasi nga, you can review the webinar, no? At saka doon lang yung makukuha yung sagot. At saka, meron kayong certificate after, okay? So, click natin yung webinar. Okay? Tsaka, ayun na, i-route na po tayo. Okay? So, one workshop a day lang po, no? Within in 1 week. Okay? So, I believe na kayang-kaya po nating tapusin ito. So, kindly lang po, we really encourage you to finish all the workshops. And after that, then we will proceed to your next journey, no? Upon enrolling here in the IMG Financial School. Okay? So, yun lang po and thank you. See you sa ating next recorded guidelines. Okay? Bye-bye.